one.
Alright, Jingjangbo. Jingjangbo. So, pick that up, bitch. Hey, how much? I'm saying KT aka Mr. Ticket. Take some soju. I'm down for soju instead.
Yeah. I kind of want to have this like while eating.
Yeah. Check his ID. Yes. He looks old. He's like Andy Milanakis, you know him?
Yo, that's combo right there.
And then Takma took us to one of the best low-key Thai restaurants in Jackson Heights. Most Thai places come with varieties of proteins. We picked sukuti, which is a dried buffalo or beef, depending on where you are. It's served with a bunch of pickled vegetables, some greens here and there. And this time it was served with rajma. Usually they will serve it with black lentils, aka dal. Decided to eat with my hands just for the culture.
Yo, Tashi and Kesan, y'all need a YouTube ASAP.
Love you, Teddy. Yeah, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual got one and then there's the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it?
We are back.
At it again.
We back. You feel me? Feeling good, feeling lit. Where we going today, boys?
What's the movie theaters? Oh my god.
Yay! The Hooters? Do you know why it's called Hooters? Why? No, because it's a white lingo for titties. Look at them Hooters! Never in my life, I've never been to Hooters. You been there?
I've been there, yes.
How you gonna eat and perv out, yo?
I went there with my girl. With my ex.
AMC. It's been a while, baby. But we finally meet. Yeah, that was a bomb-ass movie. I would recommend to anybody. Girls. Hey, Dizzy, where you going? Damn, bro. I got that on camera.
Thirsty, bro.
Yeah, he's like, I feel like a woman today. 2021, bro. He said, what if you watch your vlog in a vlog, within a vlog, within a vlog, and you keep going every episode? Give me that.
It's gonna be dope.
Yes!
That's silver.
So I decided I'm gonna make them some dinner, but I didn't have much ingredients, so we're going grocery shopping. Let go!
로고연의 초민준 연출다.
That's funny, yeah. Sing it. That Lee? Lee, what's up, baby? Chillin'. About to get some dinner, man. Mom's is good? Yeah? What's she coming here for? Your kimchi? No doubt. Hi. Waving. That's the better.
I told you I'll carry that.
Jingjangbo.
It's 1,000
Bro. What? Yo, our wine is over there. It's below $20. Fuck out of here.
No, that's exactly what we're doing.
2 out of 3?
Huh?
2 out of 3?
That's not a one.
One?
That's a one.
Alright, Jingjangbo. So, pick that up, bitch. Auntie Takma. Williamsburg swag? I like that actually.
In the story, you know how we do it.
Hey, yo, look at KT, bro. Look at Chinese thought, yo. I swear. So we're going to be making creamy coconut chicken tikka masala for dinner. I already started the sauce. All you have to do is just replace the cream with coconut milk instead. So you started off by sauteing the bird. As you can see, after you saute the bird, leave your sauce on simmer. We're going to start blending it right now. Started this project. If you had a lot of chicken scraps, I suggest you make a broth out of it because it's very useful. It just heightens up the flavors. And let's go. 5 minutes till plating. Add your chicken in the sauce itself. Stir it around, leave it on simmer. And then you're gonna start preparing your last garnish, which is the chicken skin. Make sure to get it all the way crispy. Like turn it around, whatever part it needs it to be, you know what I mean? Cause crispy is the best. Now it's time to get creative. Let's start plating. I'm gonna make a little temple of rice right in the middle. And then I'm gonna start adding my curry on the side. Mind you, it's a little dirty, forgive me. But, top it off with cilantro, some green chili sliced, you feel me? Add a couple of radishes, because you want some color on there. We're gonna top it off with some lemon and lime, and then of course the crispy skin. And take a flick for the gram, man. I mean, you know, everybody needs that. Look at that. Shit, look at that, god damn, look at that. Look at that. Well, the critics are happy, so I'm happy. And stay tuned for next week where we throw a huge feast. Just a gang of people throw a huge feast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't even care about sharing anymore. Mwah, bye.